Hello listeners, hello video viewers. Welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 1 is fruit names. Apple, apples. Apricot, apricots. Avocado, avocados. Banana, bananas. Cherry, cherries. Coconut, coconuts. Fig, figs. Grape, grapes. Kiwi, kiwis. Grapefruit, grapefruits. Lemon, lemons. Lime, limes. Mango, mangoes. Orange, oranges. Papaya, papayas. Peach, peaches. Pear, pears. Pineapple, pineapples. Plum, plums. Pomegranate, pomegranates. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and see you next lesson.